Hey, welcome to Planet Market. It's a special Saturday morning ukulele lesson because I had a request from somebody to do a great song. I thought, hey, why not? And this is a ukulele tutorial for Ed Sheeran and Rita Ora, well, Ed Sheeran's version of Rita Ora's song, Your Song. If you want your song being made, make sure you check us out on Patreon, support us, because that's the best way of knowing that you're going to get your song made. So, anyway, what I'm going to be doing is showing you the chords, breaking them down, showing exactly how to play this great song. But first, let's have a quick sneak peek of what it should sound like by the end of this lesson. Don't want to hear sad songs anymore, just want to hear love songs. I lost my heart up in this place tonight. Don't want to hear mad songs anymore, just want to sing your song, cause your song's got me feeling I'm in love, 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 I'm in love. So the chords that you're going to need are A minor, F, C, and G. So if you don't know how to play those chords, then skip right ahead. Or if you don't and want a quick reminder, I'll show you exactly how to play them right now. So your A minor is just 4th string, 2nd fret. All the other strings open. F chord is just get your 2nd string, 1st fret, and 4th string, 2nd fret. Again, open on the 1st and 3rd string, so 2 open, 1 open. A C chord is probably the easiest chord you ever that you play on the ukulele, and that's 1st string, 3rd fret, open on the rest of the strings. And a G chord is 1st string, 2nd fret, 2nd string, 3rd fret, 3rd string, 2nd fret, open on the 1st. Okay, so the chord progression is for the entirety of this song, apart from, well, I change it up a bit for the post-chorus. You don't have to, but let me show you. It is for the verse, pre-chorus, and chorus bit. At least is A minor, F, C, F, C, G, A minor. That is one bar. So it starts in A minor and it ends on A minor. So that I'll just play it for you quickly. So kind of showing you exactly how we play it for the verse as well, and that's just, so what that is like down, up, down on the A minor, down, up on the F, and then switch to one stroke of down for the C. So down, up, down, F, F, C, again, down, up on the F and down on the C. So down, up to F, F, C, F, F, C. And same kind of strum pattern for the G and the A minor. So down, up on the G and down on the A minor, ending chord progression. A, F, F, C, F, F, C, G, G, A minor, again, A minor, F, F, C, F, F, C, G, G, A minor. In the end, that doesn't sound like much, but when we put the words to it, then that's when the song really makes sense. I woke up this morning, taste you on the tip of my tongue. If you put the words to it, then it definitely does sound right. It goes along with that kind of beat. But anyways, let's move on to the chorus. Don't want to hear sad songs anymore, just want to hear love songs. I lost my heart up in this place tonight. Don't want to hear mad songs anymore, just want to sing your song, cause your song's got me feeling I'm in love, 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 I'm in love. So basically that is just a normal chord progression of like A minor, F, C, G, but the strum pattern is that just down, down, up, down, up for the A, down, down for the F, up, down for the C. So down, down, up, down, 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 up, down. That's obviously twice because it's the FC movie thing. And then G, I would just do down, down, up, down, up. So a whole bar of G. And that's not how they do it in the acoustic guitar. That's the acoustic guitar version. But this sounds better on ukulele. So, well, in my opinion anyway. So it's down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, up again. F, C, F, C, G. So don't wanna hear sad songs anymore. Just wanna hear love songs. I lost my heart up in this place tonight. Don't wanna sing mad songs anymore. Just wanna sing your song, 'cause your songs got my feeling. I'm in love, 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 I'm in love. I'm in love, 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 I'm in love. So that last bit, that post chorus, that I'm in love, that bit, that's just A minor. The strum pattern is just down, down, up, down, up for all of the chords. So down, down, up, down, up for A minor, then same for F. So a whole bar of F. We don't do that switchy thing now, is what I would say. So A, down, up, down, F, down, up, down, C, down, up, down, up, G, down, up, down, up, and again. A, down, up, down, up, F, down, up, down, up, C, down, up, down, up, G, down, up, down, up. And that's pretty much it for this entire song. I hope you really enjoyed this lesson. Remember, this was a viewer request. If you've got a special request, the best way to do it so you know that you're going to get done is, again, by going to Patreon and supporting us on the Planet Mark Patreon. It is pinned in the comments section below. You'll also get a big shout out if you do. Subscribe to Planet Mark and hit a bell notification to be told on the next great upload. Like and share this video. Follow us on Twitter at Planet Mark Vlog or Facebook.com/PlanetMarkVlog. See you in the next one, guys. Bye bye, bye bye, bye bye.